Hello friends, Tony here, welcome. So here I am in the PrimeVue, and as you can see we have a PrimeVue for Tailwind presets. And I showed you in the previous video how to install this on the Vue project. But in this video I'm going to show you how to install and work on the Laravel Inertia with VueJS. Okay, so let's zoom it a little bit here, and I think we are okay. Now let's open the terminal. Okay, so here I am, and let me just change the to be on dark mode. Yeah, like this. I'm going to cd the heart directory, and here I'm going to create a new Laravel project. So Laravel new. I'm going to say, for example, just PrimeVue here. Hit enter. I'm going to choose Laravel with Breeze and Vue with Inertia. And hit enter. No repository. Okay. Now let's go to PrimeVue, get started. And here we're going to do the same thing we have done also with VueJS in the previous video. Now let me just go down there, or I think I have here the presets. Okay. Okay. Now let's say SQLite, because we are not going to work with a database at all. And let's open also the earth. So now we are okay. Okay, let's clean and let's see the PrimeVue. Good. I'm going to open this with a VS Code, so code dot. And also here, let me just zoom it a little bit, and we are good. What we need is to say npm install PrimeVue. So I'm going to copy that and paste it here. Hit enter. Next, we need to import the PrimeVue and say app use PrimeVue. So let's do that. Let's copy this one and let's open the resources JS. Here we have the app.js, and I'm going to close this and paste it here. So import the PrimeVue, and then here after this use ZiggyView, I'm going to say dot use PrimeVue. But also, as you can see here, we have a configuration, and I'm going to copy that to say unstyled the true. Okay, next thing, we need to download the presets, and I have downloaded them. So let me open here, and also here we have the presets, and I'm going to move the presets to CSS file here. Okay. Next, what we need is to import Lara from presets and say pt:/Lara down there. So let's copy this one, come up here, I'm going to paste that, and then we need also to say pt:/Lara on the configuration of using PrimeVue. So here, let's save. Next, on the tailwind.config, let's do the same thing we have done also on the previous one. So let's copy this. And I'm going to paste it. So open the Tailwind config file. And after the font family, I'm going to paste this one. Save, close this one also. And the last one is the copy this not. So final step is defining the default values for the colors in RGB format. This can be done in a global CSS file in your application. So in our case, it's going to be in CSS app CSS. And save. Close this one, and I think we are okay. Now let's go to components and see if it's going to work or not. I'm going to start with a drop down. Let's copy this and let's go to pages and welcome. Here's the start of our application. I'm going to import the drop down, and then what we need is to add this one. So let's toggle the full code, copy this, and yeah, I'm going to remove everything else we have in our project and paste that in. Also the styles, we don't need them. And I'm going to save. Yeah, we need also to add the import the ref and create a constant for select cities. So let's do that as well in here. I think we are good now. Let's open the project. So new tab, I'm going to say PrimeVue.test, hit enter. And here we have the project. What we need is to open the terminal and run the npm run dev to update the JS file. And now, yeah, we have the error failed to resolve the import presets. Lara, yeah. And here we need to fix that. So we are on the app.js and we have that on the CSS presets. So we can say /CSS /presets/Lara and save. And let's close this. Let's come here, and as you can see, here it is. Just let me zoom it like this. Yeah, we don't have a style. This is working, but we don't have the style. So what we need to do is to open the tailwind.config.js, and here when we have the resources /js /star.vue, we need and let me just update that with this one. So resources /star dot and the extension VueJS JS, TS, JSX and TSX, and let's save that. And let's see now. Yeah, so you can see it's changing. So we have the style, and it's going to work like this because we are on the dark mode. So if I change that light mode, we have something like this. Okay, let's go and see also the menu bar. Come here, something like this. What we need is copy this, import menu bar from PrimeVue /menu bar, and now I'm going to close, and on the welcome.vue, paste that in. Next, I'm going to expand this one. And let's copy this div, which I'm going to paste it right here. And next, also we need to create these const items. Let's copy that, and I'm going to add it right here and save. Okay, so here we have the const items to be able with ref and passing an array with objects, label, and icon. Okay, and then we have menu bar passing the model items here. Okay, let's see now on the, yeah, here we have now the menu which works correctly, and we can click and then hover. Okay friends, that's it all about this video, how to use this PrimeVue on the Laravel Inertia with VueJS. Now, if you like such a videos, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like the video, share with your friends, and see you in the next one. All the best. Thank you very much.